How do you choose the right crack filler? There are 3 different crack fillers in the marketplace. Liquid pour crack filler, it's water-based. Comes in 1-gallon bottles, you squeeze it in the cracks, the liquid crack filler settles, gravity allows it to spread out. Takes about 2 to 3 hours to dry up, creating a watertight seal. Generally, residential homeowners will use a liquid pour crack filler. It's cost effective and it comes in small quantities that allow you to get your job done for a residential driveway, for example. The thing with the liquid pour crack filler with the bottles is that you're always having to bend over, so you can definitely hurt your back. Now that's when we step it up to what we call rubberized direct fire crack filler. It's used in direct fire melter applicators, and it's designed to be heated with direct fire, with a flame. That rubberized crack sealer ends up melting down to liquid form for application. Contractors use that machine to make money doing crack sealing services. Also, large estates, commercial plaza parking lots, storage facilities, churches, airports use direct fire crack sealer for application. The next one up from that is oil-jacketed material. Oil-jacketed material cannot be used in a direct fire machine. They're used in big pumper machines. Those big pumper machines generally cost about $65,000 to $70,000 for the machine. Most municipalities will use those machines for miles and miles of crack sealing on community roads or highways.